Did you know your stomach completely replaces itself every 5 days? That's right. The stomach you have right now will be completely gone by next week. But here's the crazy part. Your stomach acid is so powerful, it could dissolve a razor blade in just 24 hours. So why doesn't it dissolve your stomach? Because your stomach lining is constantly regenerating. Every single cell gets replaced before the acid can destroy it. It's like having a self-healing superpower inside you right now. Your body literally rebuilds your entire stomach faster than you change your sheets. If this blew your mind, hit subscribe for more incredible body facts. And comment below. What other body mysteries should we uncover next?